FM and ekute mo and aba santimantem no mpotamo a Sompa 93.1 FM so ekreye mo anopay and some na so ye ne doso na poso and Ghana Ace Commission impeding for the atuga say sane memu ane maba no ACTA ne de sra no ano hia o sempeding for etu omani ekohwe na edom kuma oh my God I'm not so ye fiem so the atuga say how omo say omo a omo ehwe lab so ye lab adwuma e ya asabia nyina e de omo ne magu fom na ban so twi nani a ompe ho asemo enka entity a ababeto Sompa FM nsem chefa pono so no pa kire se e ma no omo no aduane school feeding for no ye tete sese nyame amfa kwa mu a ene omo nyina de omo nkuku no omo nkaka egu fom a ekom de ebedi e ma no enye asem keto a abzafo weni afofro pi no a ene yakekese ene se kase a bia wo bia no anopa yeba na yede ababe somwo bedi edi na ya obo amali bia bogam tiafo yenye bre na fensam no yenkomo ankasa emfa emamo yede bo hyase edi free yade HIV AIDS ko de wu no ehon sensem na Ghana AIDS Commission impedimfo ena omo bo Ghana man kokko ni mu impedimfo we kra de impedim kokra mere wo bia omo ebo no mo kokko se ba bia yade HIV AIDS ne nipa binom tete de fore kono si yantie ni ahwe ni ya matuntun sansan so ni ya mokon yan chechire wo mo ni ya me ni amre ho a ebedu baby mranchere maba wo man mu nyinara echese ace no wo mo ebenya Ghana Ace Commission impedimfo ebubu se somo ehwe afri 2013 edebesi 2023 ye twemu ya nipa ace no wo mo anya bie na ano oden ano ohye wo mo susu nyina akwa memu ane maya wo mo mfie no wobro so kra no na yese okobe 25 years so na se ace no oba benya bia tra no wedie mu a hwe mfie dudu a wona nimu a wode ebefra asasi so opani atua hene kirema wona ye pani kwanchefo da Ghana Ace Commissioner no abusia o chechire mu sei ede kire yen
all of the people either dying of AIDS, being newly infected, and being one of the HIV population in the country actually lie between the ages of 15 to 49. That's where you see the bulk of the population. This population is the economically active population. These are the people who work and earn income to support the country as well as the dependent population in the country. That is the aged and the children who are not working. And why am I making this point? I'm making this point because it shows quite clearly that HIV is a developmental issue, it's an economic issue, and it's also a business issue. And so we should remember that our ability to, eliminate AIDS and end AIDS and achieve epidemic control in the country.
Observe to we Dr. Etua hine kireme wona epene kwanchefo da Ghana Ace Commission no watch semrantie ene maba wano a omo kura tese omo ho odene mojamono a also omo tempenten kwati aheso didi mamerwa ne nkokra ne nkwala no ebi edi no omo nenne omo etete Ace no ede eforesa no nte wo behia se ye hyase na ye nchekire ne ye bo ho dawuro ma manfo hunu se yade ne nkoyo eda so a ne yete nti ase ye baby be de frem no a ase adwama no a na manfo bonesa no esi no esoso ene yen enete eguso de mu apom dine mo na ebeto odwa na no odwada no se adwumaefo a wo ewa ya sabia hodo na eba ne lab a wo eno mo ye no mo do mo nkuku no mo nkaka gufom mekire medical laboratory professional workers union for wo ade wo ne magufom dwada no edibesi ena wo nso mo kanyina eye ne ekosibro ne kana se condition of service no so mu ni bi na besine wo mo ko bia ne mperifo yo magire se wo mo ko akodi hu nkoma na je se mperifo na twitwu mo na age se bi o mante so mo pese o mo ko strike keka o mo eye dedi anase eye bibibo se be from sisi o mo fra wo mu a asa hwetere sam o mu bedi hu nkoma e na mo nko na kina mabag mo nko na kina mabasa no eye se mperifo yi wo mani na o mo de o mo ne magu for me na ka manfo pinu a hwese o e ka efri dwada ne besi na de na ka ban hia wo num e man komo bia wo so mo de bia bia no na nkoma diama sabere kra de nke bia nkoma twom strike na sensen na so ntetia ne yakwa esa se obi atwi nani obi amfo wonu mu obi ani e na omachitwi omani a na nam so medom kuma wo mra se gefiem abo aban ne sobo se de wo kyerɛkyerɛ ne de emmoam ya pomdere ho nsensem ensi pinsi tanwie peyo e se doctor ni betima hwe obi a na egina oya na oye lab no ne lab a nipa ne bekwa akoyo de bekwa akoma doctor no e na doctor ni begina so hu na de property a etete wo ya na lab fo eni wo no a doctor fo be de no ma ye adwuma owura kwabena minta akando eye mrase gani o wo mrase gefie ma de hye wo se hwidwabo so e ba na pomdere mu a wona ya no wakasa de madom kuma no.
Sensitivity and the responsibility of this government has become legendary. And so I think that when it comes to matters of health, the government must move with alacrity because it borders on the lives of the people. I am not going into the merits and the demerits of why they are going on strike at the moment. But any reasonable government will engage them and then plead with them whilst they are even at the negotiation table to go back to their hospitals or their facilities.
We NDC Mraswe Jeni or Mraswe Jefima this year war Seshijabo so about Tompesia so honorable Kobna Minta Akando a banapum didemwa and Pimpino one no takasa de Emma Edom Kumano or Mraswe Jefim don any dom said the Abane church and idea M1 mapum did Hunsen some NCC a ye na and so ma do a Jirim Mraswe Jeni honorable Frank cannot dompre Edra Mraswe Jefim na Honomo Nika Adea Yasi NDC Mraswe Jafoni Yinaji chief Mraswe Jefim Adea Wamo Esu Omunia minority leader Yera Kesela Toba Force Nasemwa Ewo Court no more court no makwa akota na chi ewo eye court no mo senso mba betina Mraswe Jefim no mo no ma ba be ye nunu abra omunua penny honorable Atoba Force Nasem ewo court wa kese aban peso fokwan bia so ede ne kokotumu na eno na NPP MPs no so kese NDC Mraswe Jafo no yesi ya na o mining kanko ene ne mpuntu no omo so omo pe no na omo penny senie honorable Frank Anodompre.
Conclave, we had a short discussion. The minority was represented by the Honorable Ahiafo, but we had some agreement. I'm surprised that none of members of the minority is sitting on their seats now. It's quite a big surprise to me. Speaker, we'll proceed, however. There are all the questions advertised. The questioners are the minority, and they've elected to be absent. Clearly, they are demonstrating their true colors to the Ghanaian people. So, Speaker, I want to make an application to you that we publish the answers to these questions in line with our orders.
Very well.
Speaker, I saw my colleague panting when he was walking in. I saw him panting. Probably he was not informed. The decision from your side is that we are boycotting. And clearly there is a certain confusion on your side, which I think you should find a way to deal with.
Observe to way MPP Mraswe Jeni or Mraswe Jefima this year once a woman do a jira bottom peso honorable Frank Adodompre and yeteni Kentenra and Mraswe Jafono course or Mokako Yeduman NDC phoning in a and so no more. Ibusa say at the ya or Mosu Munginano or more echo court na honorable Kesel Atoba Forcena where minority leader binding in Jina court no or more Aquacotana Chi or court on Monsense on Babetana Mraswe Jefim and MPP Mraswe Jafono Eke Komajune. Ede echiri wuno sano afiyem famonko engumasium na Ashanti Regional Director one Western Medication so ora Richard Ado Jemfi ena odiatu gase entotia also for her oh my God na pom dire anasa engumasium hon sensem aye ede afa stem hono office ebeboa pa ye nei omo ye ncheche ne nkasa ho dwumadie dia ma chechirefo a omekọ akọchirechirade e wo sa stem schools no ebeboa emo munim die na peja ema so mo chire nkwala na de a nkwala no so anya so emfa so
say now we say abaya na mo a wo tu STEM and robotics education STEM robo abase ebeboa amade abai anamo abai tu etimi bi tidi say STEM robo ai na ya lancho Ashanti region abase betimi aboa ama yedi siano akọ enimu America says so me pusha abai asati etu mfie twemu etu anamon bebre me no ka say Ghana abai etu anamon the STEM schools
Abzafo weye ayora Richard Adojemfi wono na aba santimante mase e ba na STEM education a ohweso na edwumeko ba ko omo so omasenemu ene omo edi dwuma e ma STEM robu omo pa hontuma eye Muya Education Limited for na opani a we managing director so de kakra esoso
the world has skills. We want to train the children to be able to compete around the world. Okay? That's why we bring the program what STEM Robo. The STEM Robo will become innovators and creators. They can make a app, they can learn about engineering, mechanics, and so much. They can create robotics. Okay? So the children will do what? Will be able to innovate and create.
Abzafo yamfamo konsem fufuro mababe to dwase mampani na nado danko akufo do wodeta general Owura Johnson akua mwasi edu papa no na dwuma osenko de abawie a wo ko retirement e ko pension na so babe to dwase mampani na nado danko akufo do asaso ama ne contract a na nka wo se enra na dwuma bawie ne sesei oma atrem asaso ama ne mfie mienu aka won so won koso a na onye dwuma ene nam so ama ne papi no e kasa busa se na ase mampani na nado danko akufo do na monto bi efa mpedimfo bi a wo bra so wo so mo ko pension no mo ko dwo ma home na nnem ranche ne mabawa adesua bebrebe o musuen o so so be hyehye sa di bre no ye nyom so mfa so na se mampani die no eduru ba bi a no adane ato eduru ba bi a no de akwakotoa won hyede hu ba bi a etua pa Owura Vitus Azim eba ne kata hyehye dwum de kanka de proya oyobi a na ni tikura wo chese mampani na nado danko akufo do na monto ya watue e ni pa bi no opeso obo mo bantina waye
somebody was there handling case in court, yet the president found necessary to ask him to still leave, and then that case keeps an abroad. In fact, the current Auditor General wrote to Sompa that he's satisfied with the documents that he has submitted. So that £1 million or $0 has just gone into the water when WF was making all efforts to retrieve those money. So that alone, even at the time that this man was appointed, someone said the way he was appointed and the way he immediately came out to dismiss Mr. Sompa's case means that he's the good books of the government. What he's going to do is going to please the president and his appointees. And this confirms that because even though the constitution allows you to extend the appointment of certain people, there has to be justice. And consistency is also important in good governance. Why in the case of the Molibo, you were asked to go, and then in this case, you were asked to stay for another 2 years. And remember that the next 2 years, this President Akufo-Addo is not going to be in power. So again, I would see it as a way to protect his future immediately after leaving office, so that the Auditor General will not come out with any damaging reports about he and his appointees.
Abzafo nti we Owura Vitus Azim ne yete ne nka ne se mampeni na nado danko akufo da na montu we de eze ne nkrofo no muguna ba mu no a na opese obo wo mo ho eban abeto dwase school feeding for no e ma no mo no anuane ma ye ma ye se ka aban di wo mo ne mpimanim ene number 7.5 million Ghana cedis ya be sine asa aban tua asa aban wontua ene nam so ma ye se wo mo keka wo mo ho e ma hwe be enne pa nkosi na so mo nsanka wo mo nsika de a na so ye chere no ana omo ebeye e ma ne bi chechiro mo nsem se de chere
school feeding for come dey faso ne dey ka chere mo se dey do no afon tegale o do no afon tegale yen tsena ho enye yeni emma eka enjie nko owo mu emma iti de bi no mo wuo eje o musika ho ebi no mo wuo ama ebi no mo nya yade aje o musika ho no no ye dia kan ye ntena se aye nhwe din sa fe ya bato afe nti ya kan no to ba de ekono mo nyam adwene se wo besesa mo nyam adwene se mo fi ye o mampanyi da o mampanyi vice president abekumase no ara no abe kisika gukumase ha ama ye school feeding for and no duane mienu me ense ne mo fa sika mai ada
school feeding for no kwan a omo de ye fa so no enye kula enye so ma fi sika ma ye ne a ye bebu ehun naked awuro ye hu nyina de no fo ene ya se nyina ba ba kire wo madan na mo ye sa obi a ya ye adwuma da muntua ye katam me ense ni ada na mo ya rehosam sa
observe nti we aye man binomu a wo mo enu anuane de ma ye man o schools ahodo nim school feeding for no ene ye tese wo mo esu no na ye man a eja wo mo enu anuane wi a wo mo ene befa hu tasty wo mo so mo chese aban ntwesika na ma ye ma minimum ne so mo de mo ne magu fomu a wo mo be brent wo mo sraban saban ntwenani na onti wo mo ma me ne mo nsem a wo mo eken
esu mo de be na otwini yendidi na otwini eduane mu nsensemse no eduane ma yenso yahwe ni mu sa ekom dia na ede enkrangetenkete so kan ekom ya na ekuen kepese yesre mo aban no nka bibi mfa ho na enko na ya ekom de
ente nkwala ne sesa aban anka bibi amfa ho mu ye mu twakuro ade wo mu nyanko ye kura ne kom na hyase de dan to mesrem perimfo se omo entie ema ne nsem a wo mo ekeken ye de mo ekodoma ahinkru abonten so na abanka chipeni a owodoma central abaton pesua so eye honorable Idrisa Watara no de atuga se akwan binumu a asade echi ade se accident asisi so na makwan no tibie wo mu a enhyeda enye papantie no wo mo ayentutue eban rules ne mperimfo no madi nkomo pa ema enche bia sa kwan no a ese na accident asisu achina we akwa kosisu no ombesiesie sa kwan ne nyina ma kwantufo ene adwumayefo ho aharewunum e odoma central ne mpotem honorable Idrisa Watara
Bia wo do mahin kro ha bia de efre sunyan kosi gonokrom Ghana Highways Authority for behweso na fe de do ma town so bia so no urban roads enti ye na ye assembly no ye ne beneficiary assembly enti no de ekoso a enye emma municipality ne bia no ye ne ye wani a o se ye hu na the report na akoma urban roads enti yes area bit say kokwase ye kan go filling station ho no accident etasisi ho pa na immediately no ye na engineers for no be transit na ye hu kwana ye fa so a ebetumi asolve say Mochi Road. First na car from Mochi ho eba krom eba misankroma bransana so ho a odu ho a na wachesim na okọ baby a e wo so okọ eno ye hu say na the accident eba bebre na ye say so from Mochi Road na okọ krom a so kotwa U10 e wo star oil ho say de be ya e betumi reduce accident if aye no achi no betumi aka say ama accident so atipa enti Goy filling station a eye ADB bank side ho no ye wo sa challenge no ba ko ho a ye hwa ni mo say betumi a resolve na fi Obadoma hospital so kra no a second gate na yeye wo ho no hu be hia say engineers no be betwa akoma urban roads for na fi ba my directives some traffic lights emma ye no ba bi wo ho a e say ne one way say de be ya wontumi enko sa direction num he betumi free organizer KDS ha e de asim ne mo be free hospital ho epia wontumi mfam ho emekukro mana wontumi mfa ho emetwam nko KDS
Enjo se omone ban roads ne highways fo nyina de nkomo a enche bia sa kwan ya Odoma Central Abaton Pesua so no mo ba BCC ne nyina honorable Idrisa Watara na yete no nkare ye gira we so na no pay ensema popo no de ba besom no ye de masia ne asore ama man hina asaso asom de ade acha bia dwumadi atwa moso akosia so man de chinchin fidie de mamie azuka ekoba jesi simpremo Kelvin and Shadrach nom and idea called television so bidding Edin and I abo
expect siatica no o nerves ne wo